From winding roads and morning light, we gather dreams and hearts so bright. With hope in steps, with songs we bring a sisterhood in everything. Through hills that whisper stories old, with hands held tight, with spirits bold, we walk as one, strong and free, bound by love and unity. Oh, this beautiful journey we share, to Shamete hearts full of care. YIMKHIUNG when rising tall, together we answer the call. 20 years of strength and grace, hope and courage time can't erase. We sing, we lead, we proudly say, together we shine, come what may. Laughter flows like rivers moored, dreams and visions side by side. Every voice a guiding flame, every step a shared aim. From past to now, from now to more, we open wide a brighter door. With wisdom deep and faith so true, we build the future, me and you. This beautiful journey we share, to Shamete hearts full of care. YIMKHIUNG women rising tall, together we answer the call. 20 years of service and pride, with love and truth as our guide. We stand as one, hand in hand, for tomorrow's strong reset. Let voices echo far, every woman's shining star. In unity our power grows, a brighter path before us glows. So here we are, with grateful hearts, a new chapter gently starts. YIMKHIUNG